Welcome to Giggle and Grow TV.
Hello little friends. Today we are going to meet some amazing farm animals. Let's see who's waiting for us on the farm today. First up, here's the cow. Moo, moo. Can you hear the same moo? Cow gives us milk that helps make yummy treats like ice cream. Look, it's Ba Ba sheep. She's soft and fluffy. Can you hear say Ba Ba? Sheep gives us wool to make warm sweaters. Ba! Comes the Oinky, the pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Isn't he funny? Can you say oink oink? And hey, look, it's the cockadoodle, the rooster. He wakes everyone up bright and early with his cock-a-doodle-doo. Can you crow like a rooster? Cock-a-doodle! Wow, what a fun day it was. And remember to be kind to animals always. Thanks for watching and subscribe Giggle and Grow TV.